tea. Love for wanting tea. Love for wanting tea. Love for wanting tea. Because of love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love.
This one is my own. This one is my own.
Ooh. Hello? We are never here. This is my own.
This one is my own.
Hey, the good thing now that you can do to yourself, and now you report us.
Wait. There your madness. You don't come again. I see your papa they run, and you come they run like dog like your own. What you come they have?
Everybody's on the run, no? Eh? Hey, I have the pass. I come from somewhere. Say, I just lamp no bro. And someone to operation. Just come out. As I come out, I come here. This one is for me. This one I come peep. I come see where devil and God. They keep people, they share.
Sharing
people in the mad. Even I even hear one person say, no, leave it fine and Nkata for me. They've prepared the table before me. I say, who is preparing this one? I can't lose that devil. And for the love I have for you, you know, our love is for better for worse. Till death to us part. I say, okay, let me tell you, so you make up your mind. So I will get a good place for heaven, for hellfire. Gegaloko molake, Samata this thing street. Can we keep up some so that anything you are doing, you just do. Understand? We just do and run. If you see how they are killing people, you better make up your mind and die, so I will know where we are going to.
You the crazy, you know well. And that crazy, he don't come again. Get out.
I don't wait to tell you. Me.
Rubbishing.
I'm going to come up with a man not tangare manaka kokomo because so na hekele.
Hey, we think this mad stupid dog they talk. Not true. Hey, if not true, that means devil don't get me. Because I be big of sin. Hey, right. Make I go see Papa God. If not true, make he choose me. Make he give me this small power where he give devil. If he give me, I go use them, ruin the world. Yes. If I.
Baby, that's it. Oh no! This one is not matter of onyoshi. If you know what is good for yourself, follow me and run. Therefore, Nkechi, they are sharing people, killing people, killing people, sharing. Wonder shall never end. If I go see myself, see me beautiful.
Leave on like that, leave on.
I bet share the orange, bring my own.
This one on my own. This one on my own too.
I bet Nala na.
No be your own now, leave on now. Why go? Wait, leave on now, no be your own now.
What thing be say no be my own?
Before my own?
You be a sure, you take greed.
No, now you be Jesus now. I be a now you be Jesus.
Now 3 orange I go take. Now let me climb up.
And so?
I want for you.
Me See if I slap you now.
You go take this one now.
Na me na.
Na my own, I beg. Na my own.
See, I go slap you now. I be like so no go sense abi.
Slap you say wetin happen.
My own.
Na my own na.
Which one be your own?
Me climb up. For you.
Yes, I see you. Give me this one. Be like so. You no go sense abi. Drop am.
Na true. God na devil sharing people. Hey, man. If I go now, devil go choose me because I know say I be big of sin. Make I go. If I go cry Papa God. Papa God, Pico, choose me. Share devil power and give me. I go rule world very well. I no go be like devil. Now God voice the day like this. Hey. Kuna Amadi.
Not your own. Na my own. Not your own na. Give me that. You go fight for here. No fight. Abi ekwensu abi. Na you be Jesus na. Abi ekwensu.
I don't know what you talk.
Na you be.
Hey! Na be devil and God. We're sharing people here, okay?
No.
No, not sharing people here, okay?
No,
na you be devil.
No, na you be Jesus, idiot.
Who get orange?
Na you get am.
No, you get am.
Una thief am?
Na you get am.
No, una be thief where they thief this village, eh?
No, you be thief.
Na only him the thief.
You no want talk to me? Una no want talk to me? Okay. It's so bad. I go tell you.
Come.
Nkata come now. You never reach that kind of thing.
Who thief am?
We thief am.
So
I follow. I just escort am.
Where the whole village, everybody they run.
No.
Say God and devil they share people. Even myself, I come here say because I know say if God and devil they sharing people, I go hellfire. I come say make I tell God make he give me my own power.
No, ma ask you be God.
I no be God.
Why go call me devil?
Shut up.
Slap am again.
You know what? This orange, now my orange now. Every day una go thief orange. Come they bring her for my house. Any day una no bring orange, you see the owner of that orange. I go tell him. Give me the orange.
Which one go read me?
Yeah, whatever.
Because you no go give me one.
Soon when I'm one nuja. Come on, give me her.
Katubo. Where is this girl? What have I done to this girl? Where culture? Nkata! Here she comes.
Mama.
Haven't you heard what is happening in this village? Where have you gone to? And what is that thing on your clothes? Orange. Who owns this orange? Oh, Nkata! So you have started stealing in this village? You have started stealing people's orange?
You calling me Tifilim? No, I know Tifilam. God forbid. I know Tifilam. Na God and devil, I don't give you.
What rubbish are you talking? Do you think I'm joking with you?
Mama, you say me. I'm talking rubbishing. Me talking rubbishing. Okay. Mama say, I see God and devil. The God come divided the power and give devil and give me my own. You say me I not talk too much.
If you know what is good for you, Nkata, return this orange back to the owner. Take this orange back to the owner.
Mama, see, make I tell you, the power in me is too much. The power in me is too much. God say, my daughter, go wrestle. I don't want to talk. The power I get, small time, let me go they ruin this.
Do you think I'm joking with you? Nkata, I am not joking with you. Return the orange to the owner. Take it back to where you get it from.
Mama, I get power. I get power.
What kind of nonsense thing is this? Come back here, Nkata. I've not finished with you.
Mama, I tell you, say, I get power. The power in me is too much. Small time, I got the rule what?
Nkata,
Ma, let me be with you. What
have I done? Why would God give me this half a child as my only child? No, you don't tell me if you will bring to short. We are going to bring back the Nkata! Nkata! Onyoshi. Izuko. Ifan. As you are alive, eating meat every Christmas, you don't like it.
Start what, generator? Start what? Moi, if I know how this guy poor mass. Let me not assume that I'm the one that you are cockling. What is this?
Okoko.
Okoko break.
Okoko. Thank
you. So Okoko, so go on.
Stay away from my wife, Nkata. Anytime I see you close to her, I will not only deceive you, madam, for you. I will kill you in my mouth. Bomb. Sorry. Come.
Are you okay? How can you come to my house and you are shouting to me unnecessarily? You know what? You have to leave this place. Now.
I'm warning you.
You are warning me.
I will kill you.
You are warning me.
Because of Nkata.
Nkata.
I'm ready to answer a murder case because of
No, you don't. You are also. You're already answering the murder case. So tell you that way to man now.
I know where I'm warning you.
So they no longer. I'm
warning you.
Eat him, Mary.
Last word.
Huh? No, so the job like coffee fishing. Can you want to carry a jack over?
Onyoshi.
Onyoshi.
Why am I not for? When you don't want to win beside. Go got some money. I brought me here cake. I should no, not alone, no couple. Be fine. Happy year. I'm passing it.
Mama. Mama, we're clean up. Mama, we're clean up now. We're clean up, Biko. Mama, what is it? Mama, in case something why I can't thank you. I don't think well, we think so. I don't know what I can't think you again.
What is it?
Mama, I want to continue schooling. I want to continue schooling. See, people going to school right there here, doing nothing. I want to continue schooling. Because
you want to go back to school?
Bam.
Which school?
Mama, I want to be educational. I want to be educational now. I don't find another school where they...
Shut up your mouth. Educational. You want to go back to school after what you did to your teacher?
Wait till I come down.
Oh, you've forgotten. If you don't remember, I will remind you.
I no do anxious or anything. She come there flogging me front and back. I want make you rakara maka anxious. Rakaki make akia bibu, make her hand swell up. She no go use them. Do anything. She no go use them flog me again. Mbu, asingi rakara maka anxious. Mbu, rakara maka anxious. Mbu, rakara maka anxious. Anxious, na campus. Yeah, I'm again. May I see how you go come school again? Also, what happened? Why are you like this?
I don't know.
My hand has been like this since 3 days now, and it's paining me badly. Swallow, God. Have you gone to the hospital? I've been to the hospital, but they didn't see anything as the cause of the swelling up. I don't know. So serious. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my good friend.
And that reminds me. The principal has been complaining about you, that you no longer come to school.
Yeah.
Please, you have to come to the school tomorrow.
I know he will. I'll try and come to school tomorrow. You know I've missed you people.
Yeah, we miss you too.
I'll come to school tomorrow.
Sorry.
You see why you can never go back to school?
I go in school, oh. That one they talk, I know agree.
Get inside. You will go in school. I've just told you what you did to your teacher. And don't disturb my sleep again. What have I done?
Mama. Oh. Mama, you sleeping in Okuya? Okay, sleep now. If I not go in school, you see this house, it go hot you and me. It go be hot water you and me, oh. Mama. Mama, wake up, oh.
Stupid kid. Mad kid. Educational. Nkata, why is your face like this?
Mama. Shebi your mama send it to school. Shebi your mama send it to school.
What kind of stupid, silly question is this?
Mama Sue, this is no time of grammarings. This is no time of grammarings, Mama. Answer me, oh. When you know say Papa be poor boy, why you come marry him? Why you come marry him? See, my mate are giving me insulting. Then say I be illiterate, I no be educationary. Ngozi and Chiamaka say I no be their level, I be illiterate. Mama, see, I want make you send me to the city ring. I want speak big glamour well. I want marry a rich boy. As I no go school, I want be some person, Mama. Check am. I want be some person.
Nkatugo, you said that you want to be some person.
Bah.
Then my daughter, let me tell you. Even if I send you to school, you will still be an illiterate. Because this illiterate thing is born right inside of you. You came out with it. So I don't see anywhere.
Hey, Mama, you mean I no go be educationary?
Oh, educationary? No.
I no go be educationary.
I'm afraid no.
Hey, Kemakula.
All hope is lost.
Mama, I no go be educationary.
Hey!
Kemakula, Mama.
Nkata.
Ma, I want to go to the sleep and fetch water.
At this time?
There.
Okay. Be fast and don't let anybody trouble, please.
Mama, you calling me a troublemaker?
No,
Me a troublemaker?
No,
Mama, make I go,
Rush.
Oh, Mama.
Love for one tinty, love for one tinty. Because of love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, my yellow CC they laugh at me. If nanya gine bumu kamanya, if nanya gine tomo kamanya, Nkata. Chai. Because of your love, oh, I don't go. Because of your love, oh, I don't grace. So anything where you do me I no send. I love you well. Anything where you do me I no send. Oh, I love you, baby.
The finest girl. Oh, Nto.
Oh, Bensi.
Obewagen.
You murdering? You murdering? You know see what I carry for head? Or you blind? You know they see up here?
I want to tell you that But I'm in love. I'm madly in love with you. You are the loves of my life. You are the beginning and my end. I am seriously
enough para. Love who come with it. You can't get him or basic. I love who come with can't see. I have to because of you. Check it in. Who want to get it? I'm not here. Who want to go? No,
oh, we're making shoes, Anna. What do you do? I'm okay with too much. What happened to you? Huh? Why is your body wet? Where will you give me? Mini is so heavy. Now mini is a pay. Huh? Mini is now like on a sack. You was what? The place that I was Madam from Asuna. If I a liar. You are a liar. You should won't watch. Oh, watch you would know me bargain now. I am not know what you remember. So why asking me? Oh, why she has I got from Mko Yasuma wash. Mko so wash ya 1 minute. If I you must tell me the person that poured you water. I got better more give me because it was param. It was para ikenga. Nobody will pour you water and go free. Papa. Is it by force? Huh? I must tell you. On your room. Is it by force? You have your head, I have my head. You have your body, I have my body. You are dry, I'm wet. Is it your wet? You are my first son. I can't know here somebody to. Did I wet your wet? No, not to Neko. If I go to Neko, we normally walk out, go back at Onyekuri. Any dream the meaning. I'm expecting pneumonia. So as someone who is expecting pneumonia, as someone 1 minute now can pneumonia be now. Question they need the money. Besides, look at the way you are. Let not tell them. And whenever you want him, I can give me a channel again. You can one nugget. Neko goes out. Don't worry about the Ragashi. Can't know I'm no Kuba now. Kubuni me mochuar. Oh, you have to believe him. Are we going to job? Got to work back to what I'm doing. I know, I'm going to job that fucking on the mola. It would have made me no bag of a chocolate banana, the idiot. Nkatubo, mama. Come, rush. Hey, something good has happened today.
What did happen? I want to see my friend Choma, and she told me that her daughter needs a house help.
House girl.
House help?
And where she come there?
She told me that her daughter lives in Lagos.
Lagos?
Hey,
I go.
Are you sure?
I go, I get sure.
Ezoku. Thank God. My daughter, please, now that you are sure that you will go, please, when you get to Lagos, don't make problem with anybody. You must respect the madam of the house, so don't make trouble with the madam of the house, Biko. You hear?
See, I no go find trouble.
Okay.
And if I go obey my head for madam, obey my head for brother.
I don't say you should give them your head. I say obey with your heart. I obey. Okay, hey, thank God. Hey, Mama.
I go be why sitting. You see all these stupid kids when they speaking me grammar, eh? If I come, I go use grammar and scatter their head. Hey. I go speaking grammar. If I spoke, they go say Nkata spoke. I spoke in. Okay. I go be grammar spoker. Hey, Mama, make I go tell you.
Love for one tinty, love for one tinty, love for one tinty, love for one tinty. Because of love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, my yellow CC they laugh at me. If nanya gine bumu kamanya. If nanya gina tomo kamanya Nkata Chai. Because of your love, oh, I don't go low. Because of your love, oh, I don't get grace. So anything where you do me I no send. I love you well. Anything where you do me I no send. Oh, I love you, baby. Love for one tinty, love for one tinty, love for one tinty, love for one tinty. Because of love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, oh, my papa they call me useless boy. Because of your love, my yellow CC they laugh at me. If nanya gine bumu kamanya. If nanya gina tomo kamanya Nkata Chai. Because of your love, oh, I don't go low. Because of your love, oh, I don't get grace. So anything where you do me I no send. I love you well. Anything where you do me I no send. Oh, I love you, baby.
She trying now. She will not even cook well. Huh? She rubbish. Urosu, ujonani.
You are eating.
Huh? It's a meeting.
Drink now, let's eat. I'm so hungry.
I'm not eating, I'm swimming.
You're not eating.
Huh?
You're not eating.
You know what you're supposed to do. You just respect yourself and sleep inside. If you need to.
I'll bring the food. I want to eat.
Alright, let me give you some money.
I said bring food! I was asking you.
Let me use my hand and put
don't,
this one. Let me use my hand and put this spoon. You eat.
If I
don't worry, you eat. Let me put this spoon. You will eat together.
If I
go there, you get my gaka.
You throw away my spoon. If I me. Okay, before sha. But I get one good Okonta news for you. You're
telling me.
You need to hear this news.
It's
Nkata.
Nkata.
Nkata
is she coming to our house?
Which house? Nkata is now in Lagos.
Huh?
Your love.
She's in Lagos? How do you know this?
I'm just coming from Chichi's place. She told me now, you know Chichi now, her very good friend.
Chichi. Why will Nkata travel with that?
You can't talk again. You want to cry?
I don't want to cry. I'm thinking.
Okay, cry while I eat. Don't cry. Okay. I told you that girl is very wicked. Bad girl. But you not listen to me. But why you listen? Cry now. Be crying while I'm eating. Don't cry again. Nkata, take this. When you get to the market to buy some food stuff, you list and there's a 40,000 inside. Okay? Okonta, take her to the market. Yeah? And just be careful. Okay. Madam, we could use car quick. I don't understand. That big car, we could use Nkata. You want to carry? No. You will go with my head. I can only go to the market. What time you can use to buy it for the warehouse? Go! Telling them where we they go.
Where they go now?
Telling them now where we they go.
Where they go now? Where they go?
Where will they go?
No be madam say make he carry me go market. They ask me where I they go.
Nah, maybe you. Now you now. Where you they go?
Oh, Okonta, telling them now.
Where they go now?
Kenze making go market.
Market.
Yeah.
400 naira. 400 naira.
Ha, too big now.
300 naira.
300.
300 naira.
Let him be 300. You as you be so you fit afford 300 to go market. No be all this boss way just they hang like this.
Then we enter.
Like grasshopper.
300 naira now.
You see what you cost now? You see what you costing now? Enter, you no enter. See your belly.
I don't know what even they go the market go buy. If na dry fish, now you they supposed to even use cook the food. Huh? Because you're already here. You don't need to go to market and buy dry fish. Come here we they go.
See your belly like pregnant woman. Born, you know born. You carry belly there waka. I beg come.
Come out here. See as you they swing like flag. Come out. The pass. See am.
No push me again, no. No push me again, no. Come back.
Come out. Kitchen rat.
Where no? Okonta, this one is there for like person we get epilepsy. Get up, Okonta, get up, man, with the go now. It's not wasting my time, oh.
I've been one wicked you. Say, make with the dredge. I can't see say, Nami con the tire now. You just said na human being even.
See, Okonta. I no get your time, oh. I no get your time.
When we call tax,
cut ties. See your mouth like parrot. I beg, let's go.
I didn't say we should cut ties. I said we should cut ties.
No be you talk say make we use leg go. We go use ties money buy something. We no go enter ties. Make we dey go.
You just a waka like this. All the strength of all the motor for inside this world, they inside your leg. Let me tell you the truth. The way I'm seeing you, you are a headsman.
See your mouth. Come make we dey go.
You be Fulani headsman because now only them they waka from Medugri go reach Calabar just for leg.
You be aboki where they say swear. See your mouth. Come make we dey go now.
Thank God. God, thank you. Hey, wait.
Okonta, the military gets man, hallelujah. Okonta, the military gets man, hallelujah. Okonta be agility, get man, he no send you home. If you mess up, he go use him mouth finish you. Halala. If you think say you sabi, he go show you say you be learner. Okonta, the military gets man. Halala. Okonta, the military gets man, hallelujah.
My money na 400.
Yeah. Keep it this. For what? Collect your money.
Okay. I say my money na 400 naira. 5 naira wait here to no come out inside. 400. Okay, no use me play. See, you no go come out here. In fact, 12 for now. No go come out here for now. No give me that 400. Hey.
You regress? You regress?
We go know me and you who they grace. Like this, nah. We go know.
You mean say I go waka all the way from where they waka from? I go faint, resurrect. Don't give you 400 naira. Say who you be?
Okay? You no concern me. Wetin I know now, give me my money. I work for my money.
You work for your money. You don't collect it. Take.
You no go come out here if you no give me that money. You no go come out here.
Look at this ancestral spirit.
Give me my. No make me vex, oh. Give me my money.
Okay. Come out with the go now.
Come. To push me not there as deadly as your mouth order.
Give me my money.
Very.
What is happening here?
Officer.
Officer. Instead, make I give you 400 naira. I prefer to carry this 400 naira. Dash these officers of the law. Officers of the law.
Yes, we are enforcers of the law.
Yes.
So, young man, what's the problem? Officer, you not gonna imagine them. I carry these 2 human beings from whose street, come reach here. Then carry 200 naira, give me instead of 400, go be my money. Officer, you good? Young man, there was something you said. I want you to repeat it again.
Yes. The thing is, instead of for me to give this ancestral spirit 400 naira, instead I carry it to give officers of the law. First of all, the number 1 offense is for them to call you officer. You are a man. You're supposed to be officer. Why are they calling you, sir? Like say, you get this thing.
What is it?
They are calling you officer instead of officer. They are making you look like somebody where they pee straight. Do you pee straight?
Mr. Man, what is the problem here?
Now, the problem is with the 400 naira where I'm going to give you people in future. Please, arrest it.
Arrest him.
Young man.
Disappear.
Vamos.
You heard it.
Disappear. Mr. Man, leave here now.
The Constitution is talking.
My friend, I give you 200. Young man, I said disappear. I will enforce the law on you now. What's the matter?
Go. What's the matter? You know the beauty yourself. Look at the way the breeze of this car. Pick just carry you now. You go be like nylon. Give me the honor 400. The honor 200. Make me 400 now.
Which 200? Where I go bring that?
Money now when they group us carry go market. Come on, my friend, behavior. You won't make this officer best.
Mr. Man, you're wasting our time.
Now say they be when you give woman small power. Now say they behave.
Couldn't I see? If I give you this money, madam ask who collect the money. Now you are go talk. Now you are go talk. How much?
Officers of the law. Officers.
We enforce the law.
Officers.
We are good citizens. We like
the
good
black
citizens
constitution.
Like you. not really a black constitution.
Yes. Men in black.
Yes.
Yes. You have just won for yourselves 400 naira. Let me share it for equal rights and justice. Ladies first. Take. Invest this money in Okpa. Eat Okpa.
Mr. Man, hurry up. You're wasting our time.
Shut up your mouth. You know, say Nazo village, you go just do make I go just put myself in trouble. Thank you, sir.
Don't give an officer money.
Oh yes. I don't. Yes. We can't give an officer money in public because as an officer you are enshrined. You be like native doctor. Let me give it to you from the bank. Yes.
You know, we take care of the law.
We keep the law.
We are law enforcers.
Yo, go. I'm talking to a man. This is men's talk.
Officer, let's go.
Yes.
Don't look anybody that look for you. Just tell us.
This one. Better officer, they tell you, open door. You mean like commissioner of police put for organizer, they inflate you like balloon. I don't even know self. Officer been an airbag. Come here, we come on.
For waiting.
Huh?
For waiting.
For the law. Come, let's go.
Hey! Okonta, you be devil. In fact, if devil take you, you collect your own. See how you come to sleep in me, eh? You don't put me for trouble. You don't go killing me, oh. Hey!
See, if I were you, I go know what I go do about my condition now. It is not about crying because crying does not make your face look any better. As you did so, this is your face, eh? No just cry, join this face. Because as I look your face now, I feel like to the lick salt. Because I feel vomit. Your face no fight, you no favor cry you. So just shut up. If you want to cry, enter inside bathroom, go cry. No do make another human being see your face as you cry.
See, make I tell you, no be only me, madam, go kill you. He go kill you also. No be me and you chop the money.
All this cry where they cry no make any meaning. You should be thinking of solution.
Eh?
Yes.
What do you want come thinking again? No thinking, oh. I say no thinking. Yeah.
What's my spirit to tell my mind? He say, your woman, na juju you use for us. Yes.
Hey, Okonta, na true you talk. Eh? Na true you talk. Because how we go leave market? Come they go eat. That woman use juju. What you go do?
So what we are going to do? How much you carry there?
Waiting that one coming. You want collect the money again? I beg go. I go 500 in you.
Good. If you carry 500 naira, give me. I won't carry and call police. Let police come arrest this woman. When police come, I go give them the charge to take charge. They will charge this woman with obtainance by tricks, which is against the constitution of the land. The law or the constitution of I don't know what that is.
I'm not giving you. If you go there, I use my hand and give police.
Want to use your hand and give police?
Eh.
It's okay. No problem. problem. But let us just give police, yeah?
Make me dey go.
No, they look me, they frown. Now my problem with that because I feel get nightmare. What is it?
Okonta, rescue yourself. I say rescue yourself. See your face. I fight past you. I beg the go.
If I hear fine.
Hungry.
Nah, I don't know, see this and this way.
Nigerian, no. Listen, just get.
Just sharp. I'm bored. Hey. Customer. Officer, come, I want you. Customer. I won't make you arrest person for me.
So you want us to arrest the person, Abi?
What did the person do? What did he do?
Imata!
I talk.
No problem. No problem.
Imata!
Sergeant, tell them the requirement.
He took our money with Jojo. He used Jojo. So when you go there, the charge you are going to charge him for, or half, is going to be obtainance by Juju tricks.
Take note. Yes. Obtainance by Juju tricks.
Okay, you want us to arrest her?
Yes.
Minafa. Arresting fee.
Give me the arresting fee.
Waiting be arrested.
Hey!
You're wasting our time here.
You know the law is a shrine.
Oh, sweetheart. How are you? What is it? You don't look bright. What is it?
Babe,
Sit down. What is it?
Iba, I'm really worried. I sent Okonta and Nkata to the market to get foodstuffs. And that was around 8 a.m. This is 5:30 p.m. already. They are not yet back. I don't even know if they are safe wherever they are.
You said 8 a.m.
Yes.
Don't worry, they'll come back.
Babe, let's go out there and look for them. Or better still report to the police. I mean, I'm not even sure they're still alive.
Calm down, sweetheart. Don't worry. I said they'll come back. They are all grown up, so they're ready.
Where have you been now?
Okonta, why are you crying? Who beat you up?
Love me, they beat it.
What is it? What happened?
We don't see. Especially me.
What happened? Nkata!
Mother.
Hey! Mother Tifo. The third mother said we go back it. We go. We go. You get place when we reach here.
We reach here.
We go see thief.
We see thief.
They come block us, say we no go pass until we give them money, mother give us.
Madam, give us.
And Okonta said, no, we don't go give them.
Yes.
So they come. Okonta just stay like this. So una no go try am. I don't know so Okonta struggle. Okonta come give them door. Igba. They come plenty. I got the beat Okonta. I take one of his and I allow money. Why would you fight with amobas? What if they shot you or something? Do that next time. Don't you just give it to them?
Honey, you know what? I am taking them to the hospital now. Especially you, Okonta. I need to take them.
Wait! Never rush. You decrease. I decrease. I know get sex. No be ordinary beating. I get ice block for you. Never they give light. But we get generator. I go collect ice block. I get a bonnet. Wait in there, I get Uri. For inside this house, I go use massage my hand. Instead of you to carry that money, go waste for hospital. Okay. Refund me back the salary where you pay me where them collect from me now. Yes, I pay. You are a salary refundist. You can refund my salary and give them the salary where you give me 4 days ago. They're not here. Help me refund the salary. I never even touched half of the salary that they collect from my hand. Okay.
Okay.
Help ya!
Which time they collect your money? Which time they collect your money?
If you see the Tai Chi, where do? Yeah, Tai Chi! Here! Chi for Chineke. Because my hustle don't depend on making the bill right. Idiot!
Okonta, don't worry. I'll give you back the money when I'm going to work tomorrow. Yes. Yes, I'll give you back the money.
Okay. The first tears will come out from my eye. Nothing. No. The real tears to go. At the hola.
Okonta, don't worry.
I'll give you the money. Don't worry. Yes, that guy.
Just go back. I'll give you the money. Yeah.
Okay. This is what you do to me now. This thing that you have done to me now, okay. If I be a man of God, my God will bless you. And even if you don't want, my God, he go drag you like this. Carry you up. Oh my God.
What is this?
My God will slap you with blessings.
What's wrong with you?
He go ahead.
Nkata. Come, fast.
Madam, you're coming.
Go to my room on top of the bed. I left some clothes for you to wash. Okay. Make sure you do that before I get back, okay?
Okay, madam.
And baby, I'm ready to go.
Oh yeah. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
See ya. Let's not forget. Make sure you give my husband's breakfast, okay?
Okay, madam.
And take care of the house.
I will do the house there. Madam, bye-bye.
Bye.
Lada.
Yes.
Food, darling.
Well, I don't feel like eating anything now.
No, Lada. Madam say I must make sure you eat before going.
Nkata. Don't worry, I said I'm okay, I'm fine.
Okay, if you say so, no problem.
Well, Nkata, I want you to take care of the house. I just want to see a friend of mine around the on my farm.
Okay. I will do the house well. Bye-bye.
It's alright,
Bye-bye, Flora. Flora too far. Hey! Flora too far. You know fit, madam. Madam too old now. She's just they use cream, they love her face. Man, check and get her. I got the one. I like her. I like Flora. Now me fit. And Flora get money. See house. Hey, madam, send me a message. see my good. And I like your dad. Your dad too much.
You're watching television. Come to this. Wow. Oh my God. So, who is that girl? Oh, Nkata. She's my housemate. Did I hear you say house head? Yes. What? Nothing. I like your house. Thanks, babe.
But that's... Let's have a break for now.
No, don't worry. We're fine. Just had some drinks and I'll be back.
Okay.
You can go.
I'll just go ahead.
I said you can go.
Okay.
Is this not the girl I saw in my restaurant with your gatesman the other day?
Who? This one.
Yes.
Nkata.
Yes.
This local village thing came to your restaurant to eat. I'm sure it's someone else, not her.
You say so?
Yeah. Girls, I'll be traveling to the village tomorrow.
Oh. You travel with your husband, right?
No. I'm traveling alone. Yes.
What are you just saying? You are traveling to the village. You all alone. Your husband will be in this house with your house girl.
Oh, babe, I understand where you're heading to. But I mean, my husband is not that daft and stupid. He's not like that. And meanwhile, that girl is a village girl. She doesn't even know anything. Okay, if you say so.
You're sorry.
Oh, good. Yes.
Hey, brother.
Nkata, what is it?
You don't take it?
Yes, of course.
Brother, I don't cook finish, eh? Come, go eat.
Don't worry, I don't feel like eating now. Eh? I am hurrying up to work.
Okay, brother. Hey, brother, you have to eat it. Eh? You have to eat it. See, as madam knows, I beg. Anything one make I do for you, eh? I go do it. Eh? Any kind of food you want eating, I go cook for you.
Really?
I'll be cooking it.
I promise I'll eat when I get back from work. Is that okay by you? Okonta, open the gate.
Brother, you can bye-bye. Buy me granite, biscuit, and the chewing-gum. Lord, that's for you. Hey, they didn't make I. Hey, look, hey, I food you.
Papa. Hello. Papa, there's something I want to tell you. I don't know how you see it. What is it? I want to tell you that I'm tired of this village. I want to take my step as a man. I want to take the bold step as a man so that I can come back. I want to go out and make money, come back, change this our house. Even if it's to build one room self-come. I will do this. I want to go to Aba. Aba Uzayarem. I want to go to Owerri. If I not got future, see if I want you to give me 50,000 naira. So I'll use it and pay for 2 years. After paying 2 years, the change. Second-hand motor and motor pass. I can still use the many money, start building material. People like Dangote, Rashidi Yekini, Taribo West will be buying things from me. After making money, I'll come back. Now I'm having Nkata to marry who? I'm not meaning to shape him. Nkata capable cigar. I'm not the baby shape. They know you put Igbo obodo Igbo, Igbo Owerri, get Papa, HOD Gaba, Ozabarema. That's when those people are no longer living in Aba. In short, you are very, very stupid. You are mad that I should give you money. You go get home at a nigga, give at a child, nego guy, who get along. Nkata from Naga, an idiot. Get a lawyer. Check your name for a while, show me everybody. Onye is back. Which of you former?
Someone's daughter, the one that Nkata is living with in Lagos.
Did Nkata come back with her? Nkata say a lot of...
Who's talking to me? Papa, like I was saying, she came back without her husband. She came back alone.
Hello, TJ, no got with him. Okay, with the husband. If that evil girl ever could lay there, why not the family? That girl, Papa, you are referring to my future wife as an evil girl. You courtesy demands that future girl, Nkata as your future girl. Oga future girl. Nkata not call your father an idiot. Nkechi ga papa.
Be going, oh? Not easy. Brother. Okay.
Nkata, what are you doing in my room?
Now my room be